Welcome to the Healthy Money Habits series. In honor of Financial Literacy Month, this series is designed to bring you some basic financial information on several different financial topics in under 5 minutes. Yes, 5 minutes. So let's get started. In today's topic, we are going to be talking about budgeting. Yes, budgeting. But you want to make sure that you stay tuned for all four of the videos that are going to be released so that you can have a renewed or a fresh start in your financial journey. So when we think about budgeting, what is a budget? A budget is a estimation of revenue and expenses over a specified period of time. And so let me tell you what my definition of a budget is. I like to say that a budget is the plans, the directions that drive the financial vehicle toward our goals and dreams. Everything that we want to do, it requires plans and it requires direction. We have to first think about what we want to do, and then we have to think about how we're going to get there. The budget helps us get to where we want to go. Once we have identified where we want to go and we know how much we are working with, the budget is going to tell us exactly the steps we need to do in order to attain where we want to go. And so, because we have a short time, I want to give you some tips and some tools and some refreshers on things that need to happen within a budget. So first, when it comes to your budget, you can break it down into categories or you can break it down into percentage plans. And so some people budget based on categories. There's a category for your bills and expenses. There may be a category for your giving. If you're a giver, there may be a category for savings. There could be a category for travel, holiday, all of the different type of funds that you can create. You can budget that way, or you can do it also based on percentages. So you can say 70% I want to go towards bills and expenses, 20% to go towards my savings, and 10% I want to go toward my giving. So you can budget in either way, but that's the way that you can, those are possible ways that you can break down your budget. Next, you want to make sure that your budget is documented. It is written down in some form of fashion, whether that is pen and paper or electronic. I myself am still a pen and paper girl. I still sit down with a budget book. I still have different color pens. They are color coded. I enjoy it. It's therapeutic for me. It may not be therapeutic for everybody, but I enjoy sitting down with my pen and paper and going over, and it allows the other people in my household, such as my husband and my children, they get an opportunity to see us at work with our budget, and then we also get an opportunity to see it together in one space. There are electronic budgets, and so you can set up different apps and they will attach themselves to your accounts so that when money is coming out of your account or when money is moving in your account, it will notify you, and then you will just have to identify what that line item is and where it is set to go. But again, you want to make sure that your budget is documented. You want to make sure that you are disciplined when it comes to your budget. Any financial concept is only going to work as far as you are committed to yourself. So when you take the stand to say, I want to do better with my money, I want to do better with my budget, I want to be in control, because let's face it, a lot of us get here because we're thinking about, well, I got paid and I don't know where the money went. I'm not sure every single month or every 2 weeks, whatever the cycle is, I'm not quite sure where it is all going. And so you want to be disciplined. You want to be committed to yourself. You want to take this as serious and make this as important because, again, you are trying to get to your goals and dreams. You are trying to get through your plans, and everything, just about everything that you plan, has some type of dollar amount or finance attached to it, some type of price tag attached to it. So you want to make sure that you are disciplined in your commitment when it comes to your budget. Lastly, have a positive mindset when it comes to it as well. So not just the discipline, but think positively. Let yourself know you can do this. And if you feel like you need more help, if you feel like you need more accountability and you're not able to do these things on your own, reach out to me. You can find me on social media. I am at yourfave_financial coach, or you can visit the website, which is ays-finance.com. So I hope this information was helpful for you. I think it was. I hope it was good. If you do find it good, make sure that you share it. Again, I like for you to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you know when the rest of the videos are going to come live. See you soon.